Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel with me, Ivan Florentino. And for today's video, here is the time-lapse video, the color pencil drawing of Amy Rose from Sonic the Hedgehog. But before we get started, consider hitting that like button, ringing the bell, leaving a comment, and consider becoming a member to the channel. So, let's get to it. So, not too long ago, I did two separate live streams where I was drawing different characters from Sonic the Hedgehog series, where I drew Sonic, Amy, Shadow, Knuckles, and Tails. And I did this with ink pen and colored them in with colored pencil. I used a really big sketchbook that I had and I was able to fit all of them in there. And what I decided to do was use the art style from the game Sonic CD and Sonic Origins with that intro animation. And the reason I decided to do that was because it looks so cool and very expressive. It's simple, but it works. There is minimal detail in the characters, but it's just the way that the simplicity of the characters, the bold colors, and just the shapes of their body kind of go together with that animation into these types of drawings. And as for the reference photo for Amy, I kind of went back to her old colors that she did, her old design, not the entire pink color that she used to have in the mid 2000s. I went for that pink, green, and orange with her happy go lucky and cheery attitude as the reference photo and made her into that simplistic style from this reference photo, which was fully rendered in 3D. So if you haven't already done so, I already uploaded the drawing for Shadow, and comment down below if you are a fan of the Sonic the Hedgehog series and its characters, and go ahead and enjoy this time-lapse video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.